Colorful Cute Kids.
Hi friends, welcome to the Colorful Cute Kids channel. Today, we're going to draw and color Mickey Mouse building a snowman step by step. It's going to be so much fun. Are you ready? Let's begin. First, I'll draw Mickey Mouse. Let's start with his nose and his two cheerful eyes. Then, I'll add his big, smiling mouth. He looks so happy, doesn't he? Next, I'll draw his hat on top of his head, just like this. And, of course, we can't forget his two big round ears. They're so iconic. Now, let's draw his two arms. Look, his hands are busy building a snowman. Isn't that adorable? I'll continue with his body like this and then draw his legs. Now, it's time to draw the snowman. Let's start with its nose. Can you guess what it's made of? That's right, a carrot. Next, I'll draw the snowman's head, and look, it's wearing a cute little hat. Let's add a cozy scarf around its neck and finish with its round body. Our snowman looks so cozy and happy in the snow. To make the drawing stand out, I'll use this black marker to trace over all the lines. Now it's ready to color. Let's color together. First, I'll use black to color Mickey's ears and parts of his face like this. I'll also use black to color the snowman's hat. Let's make the scarf bright red so warm and festive. I'll also color Mickey's hat with red to match the scarf. Mickey's suit will be red too. It's his favorite color. For the leaves on the snowman's hat, I'll use dark green. The snowman's nose will be bright orange, and so will Mickey's shoes. Finally, I'll use cream to color Mickey's skin. Wow, you did such an amazing job drawing and coloring Mickey Mouse and his snowman friend. They look ready to celebrate winter fun together. If you had fun with this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more creative adventures. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.